Look left, look right, and I come with a hook right. Hook right, hook right. This what the angles look like. Way up, stood high, taking the view when it look right. And oh, it's the good life, whipping the sauce when I cook like. Look left, look right, yeah, yeah. Come with a hook right. Hook right, hook right, hook right. Make all the man them look twice. I'm way up, stood high, but I've been in the field like Suge Knight. And they know this took time. This what a legacy look like. This what I come with a and 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 I come with taking the view when it look right. And oh, it's the good life, whipping the sauce when I cook like. Look left, look right, yeah, yeah. Come with a hook right. Hook right, hook right, hook right. Make all the man them look twice. I'm way up, stood high, but I've been in the field like Suge Knight. And they know this took time. This what a legacy look like. This what a and I come with 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 a come with a.
forever. All this ever about you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your body got disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. You need an old man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing the weight of you, the weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing the weight of you, the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need an old man. Tell me you're no good. I'm brushing the weight of you, the weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing the weight of you, the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need an old man.
Young man, rumble. May your courage overcome the fear. Rumble, young man, rumble. You're a lion, your time is here. Rumble, young man, rumble. You're the lightning, the storm is near. You may slip and stumble, but rumble, young man, rumble. Close my eyes and hope for better days. Give me the strength to say what I could never say. Keep me humble, but still ambitious, and calm my soul. Believe me, this is. I've grown so much, but I can still revert to make every last one of your fucking feelings hurt. To stop the world and spin and make it feel inert. To freeze time in the tracks and it will reverse. And this verse can get me killed, but I kill the verse. Rhyming at a million motherfucking kilohertz. Whether I was killed or murdered, when they wheel the hearse out and they fill the dirt into the hole in the earth where the casket's placed. A basket case. Still straight jaculates. And if the song's not better than the last, at least, then we can't release it. It's gotta be a masterpiece. Gotta be the stitches in the mouths of the bitches who doubt me. Spit on my name and count me out. He spent the whole damn day running their mouth about me, but wouldn't have much to talk about without me. I walk a line that's way too thin, and if I give up now, it means I let you in. So fuck that with a capital F-U. The beast has been unleashed. I'm an animal let loose. The jungle let me numb, and I'm tumbling through the troubled times. Stumbled a couple times, and my empire's crumbled into rumble. It's fumbling in my jumble mind, but there's a voice up in my bubble that keeps telling me to rumble, young man, rumble. May your courage overcome the fear. Rumble, young man, rumble. You're a lion, your time is here. Rumble, young man, rumble. You're the lightning, the storm is near. You may slip and stumble, but rumble, young man, rumble. Rumble, young man, rumble. May your courage overcome the fear. Rumble, young man, rumble. You're a lion, your time is here. Rumble, young man, rumble. You're the lightning, the storm is near. You may slip and stumble, but rumble, young man, rumble. Close my eyes and hope for better days. Give me but I can never say. Keep me humble, but still ambitious, and calm my soul. Believe me, this is back with my back against the ropes, on the attack like a pack of wolves. But the pride and the passions are crackable. The task at hand is rash, I'm an animal. It feels like it's raining, pouring, Agent Orange in a raging storm. But you came in roaring like a lion, fighting, scraping, clawing. Spread your wings like a raven soaring. Feel like God is trying my will, testing me, and I can turn back now or fulfill my destiny. So if you're looking for a place to put your faith and invest in me, rest in peace to the old me. The new me is half a blood until I'm lying there breathlessly. So next time you see a lion in the jungle, let him be, let him be. I'll be ready for a thriller, Manila, or a rumble in the jungle with a reckless beast.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.